In this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to Nigeria. So in order to do this, first just go and open up the Revolut app. Then what you want to do is click on Payments in the bottom. Now from here, go and click on the plus icon in the top right. Now here, click on Send International. Then from the list of countries, just find Nigeria or click on the search bar and just type in Nigeria and click on it. Then you will see this. So from here, you just want to go ahead and select how much you would like to send, and you want to go ahead and choose where you want to send it from, so which balance. So for me, it was set to US dollar, but I don't have US dollars in my Revolut account. So just go and click on the account that you would like to use and enter how much you would like to send, and you will also see how much it will be including fees. Now the fees are higher on the weekend, so you're probably best off to send money Monday to Friday if possible. And then for the Swift fee option, you can either choose to cover all of the fees yourself or to split the fees with the recipient. So when you split it, the money that you are sending, basically less of it will arrive to the recipient. Then for the transfer method, you can just choose how you would like the person to receive the money, for example, into their bank account. Then once you click continue, simply enter those bank details so that it can actually be deposited into the Nigerian bank account, and then you will have sent the money from Revolut to Nigeria. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.